Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today I'm gonna make for you the most amazing zucchini bread. It's great and so moist with your cup of coffee. And what's special about my zucchini bread is that it doesn't have so much sugar and it has whole wheat, and I added pears to the zucchini, so it's so moist and so good. Let's make it together. I'm gonna start by shredding some zucchini. I'm gonna need 2 cups. One zucchini gave me 2 cups. Next, I peel and remove the seeds from one large pear, and I'm gonna slice thinly. And here I sliced some nice pieces to go on top of the zucchini bread. The rest I'm gonna slice thinly. And don't forget that I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. So now most of the prep work is done. All I have to do is mix the dry ingredients now. And I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour and half cup of whole wheat flour. To that I'm gonna add a touch of salt, some baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and some cinnamon, and I'm gonna mix. Mix the ingredients very well, and I'm gonna add half a cup of sugar and mix as well. And all the dry ingredients are ready. I set it aside and I mix the wet ingredients. 2 eggs, add a little bit of vanilla, mix very well, and add half a cup of vegetable oil. Then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of buttermilk. And the wet ingredients are ready. I'm gonna add the zucchini, the pears, and mix with the dry ingredients just until combined. And don't forget to add a handful of walnuts, preferably lightly roasted. It adds so much crunch. If you're liking my recipes, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hit that bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And follow me on social media, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. The links are gonna be in the description box below. Lightly grease your loaf pan and add the batter. You're gonna bake for about an hour or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean at 350 Fahrenheit. And last step before the oven, I'm gonna add some pears on top just to make it a little prettier, and some pecans. And stick it in the oven and forget about it for an hour. When it comes out of the oven, you can serve as is, or you can take it to the next level with this great coffee buttercream. It's a great icing that complements the zucchini bread beautifully. Just a little bit of your warm morning coffee. Add to that 1 teaspoon of instant coffee just to intensify the flavors. Then I'm gonna mix basically room temperature butter with powdered sugar and add the coffee to it gradually. About 2 to 3 tablespoons of the coffee. And keep it on the side for anybody who likes icing. Just don't add it to the cake while the cake is still warm. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's so good with a cup of coffee or a cup of tea. And until next time, Bon appétit!